Okay, this is a law of attraction secret you must try, and you must avoid these three things. There's a difference between manifesting from an ego-led space and a soul-led place. So let's do an example of $1,000 manifesting it. And the first one is if you're waiting chronically for the money to come in. Second is if you're starting to feel really desperate about it. And then third, if you're trying to control how, when, and where. Essentially, these three things are the things that repel the money. So you have these lines of frequency. You're on the bottom left, you, and then the money's on the top right. But you're a mismatch to that frequency. So you keep going, and you have the absence of the money you're wanting. It's very frustrating, very disappointing. When you come from a soul-led place, instead of waiting for it, you focus on who you are, the I am. Instead of being desperate about it, you feel whole right now, regardless of the money. Instead of trying to control when it happens and where it comes from, you surrender. Now, stick with me here to the end of the video because I'm going to show you an exercise on like how do you do this stuff, okay? I'm not going to leave you hanging. I want to make sure you have this practical. So on the levels of vibration here on the bottom left-hand corner, there's you again and the money on the top right. But when you're soul-led, you and the intention become one. And you go towards it as it goes towards you. And the key word here is it emerges. It emerges into your life. It doesn't even attract. It just emerges. Like, comment, and subscribe below the word emerge just to really have this set in. Now for the practice, okay? You're going to meditate on the I am statement. You could even do I am abundance if you really want to make it more about finances, okay? You're going to do this 3 times daily. You're literally just going to focus on that. Don't focus on the amount of money. Don't focus on when it's going to happen or all the other things. Just focus on I am. Your feeling of wholeness is all about healing. It has nothing to do with manifesting, okay? Let's go back to the ego side. When you're desperate for money, it's because when you get money, you want money for things coming in because you feel insignificant or unworthy. You might feel unsafe. You feel maybe insecure or some sort of fear. So a lot of people want money coming in to fix the void going on in themselves. I'm finally somebody. I'm finally making headway. I'm doing all these things. But you want to feel complete right now, even when there's no money coming in, as much as you desire it. And it's hard to do, but this is the exercise. In order to surrender, you focus on the I am. So it all goes back to who you really are and doing the deep work of that to allow it to emerge into your life. Now, I have a free 7-day trial for the first time ever. It's free of my step-by-step soul-led manifesting and healing system. Give it a shot for 7 days. The link is in my description below. Essentially, I will give you everything step-by-step of what to do every day, every week from here. It's just a lot more detailed so you can have all the peace and joy in your life and have the money and have the other good things come in. Try it out. Free 7-day trial.